Salatat Bazinjan Eswed Bel-Filfil, eggplant and chili pepper salad. A side dish from Saudi Arabia. You will need 7 ingredients. Serves 8. Step 1. Wash, peel, and cut the eggplant into medium-sized rings. Put in a sieve, sprinkle with salt. Leave for half an hour, then wash off the salt and drain. Step 2. Dry with towel and fry each piece on both sides until golden brown. Place on paper towels to soak up the excess oil. Step 3. Fry the tomato rings. Step 4. Place the eggplant, followed by tomato rings on a plate. Step 5. Clean the chili peppers by cutting off the stalk and removing the seeds. Step 6. Wash, dry, cut into rings and fry. Place on top of the tomato rings. Mix the vinegar, salt, and pepper together and pour over the vegetable rings. Serve chilled. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.